So we're back in Swinton, Greater Manchester, for our second inspection of this property. This is regards to rats evident. Previous pest control has been in place at the site. Our full survey inspection last week identified a huge burrow which led straight into the foundations underneath this property. The property is raised up on it and it's a huge void underneath. Substantial burrow. Baited that with approximately 3 kilos of saccharat. Obviously in the gas meter cupboard you can see smear marks evident on the expanding foam. There's rat droppings present at the rear. There's a large amount of foliage areas around this property. Perfect harbourage points for rats and mice. There are a number of defects within the roof. Fascia boardings are old. There's an ingress point located on the roof. Large amount of foliage. There's ivy growing up at the back of this property. Perfect for a rat to climb straight up into the roof void. We've got a large conifer that's growing into the roof void as well. No external control measures in place. So I'm going to get this burrow heavily baited again, blocked accordingly for non-target species using these bricks, and we'll see what's going on inside. So we're inside the property. 5 rats removed off traps today. The front of that burrow led into the huge floor void, which rats are then foraging straight up into this cavity void, which runs straight adjacent underneath this floor to the kitchen. Breakback traps in situ. As you can see in the cupboards, smear marks evident. Rats have gnawed all of the top and the back of these units to gain access to the food source. All the smear marks at the top there from the greasy skin. Same on this location. Over to the kickboard area. All smear marks present there too. Time to check the loft out. Great job. So we're now in the loft space. As you can view, smear marks evident, droppings present, perfect rat runs. We've had multiple bait points digested up here today. All rodenticide's been replenished. Had a couple of traps triggered. Perfect rat runs straight through the insulation. Got the whole run of this loft space all adjourned by cavity voids, cavity walls. Fantastic result.